Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I so much appreciate you all for showing me love on this channel. So I have a little advice to share with you. This channel is majorly meant for promotion of our culture, tradition, and religions in Africa. So for the fact that this channel is meant for that does not mean that this channel goes against other religions, be it foreign religions or indigenous religions or whatever. I just observe that our culture and traditions are fading away, and I, as a person, I am a lover of where I am from. I am an African and I'm a black man. So, and I'm very proud to be. So, that means everything or anything black or anything from my land should be embraced. So, and that is the main reason why this channel is majorly meant for our tradition and culture, and at the same time, our religions as Africans. So, if you are um, a Christian or a Muslim, nobody says you should not practice your religion, even as an African. You can practice your religion, you are born into it, so no one can tell you to debunk your faith because you want to embrace your culture or your tradition and at the same time your religion. So our own is just to share the knowledge. We are here to share the knowledge to let people know more about our history as Africans, to know about our ancestors. Like if you want to reject something, I'm of the opinion that you should know what you are rejecting, right? So like if you take some time or if you take a moment out of your tight schedule to study the system of Ifa, the concept of Ifa, the ideas behind Ifa, you will realize that it's just all about um it's just like a binary system of what that we have in mathematics, where you calculate and get your answer. So it's a mathematical arrangement, and it has been in existence a very, very long time ago. So why can't we look at it from that point of view? That is a knowledge that was gathered a very long time ago by our ancestors to solve problems. And I want you to know something that before now, our ancestors so much believed in spirituality. Everything is spiritual to them. So there is nothing like, oh, this is physical, let us get it like this. If you put this here, you get this result. So in the past, it used to be spirituality here and there. But now that this generation now is a generation of technology, it's a generation of ideas and different uh, fields of studies. So we are no longer attached to the world of spirituality, unlike how it used to be before. So I am not saying that if you are a Christian or you are a Muslim, I am not saying that you should not embrace your religion, right? And if you are the type who want to be attached to African spirituality, is your life, is your belief, right? I know some people that are Muslims or Christians that still believe in our spirituality. There are many of them like that, right? So this channel is not to go against any religion, right? I'm just sharing this with you guys so that you know that this channel is not meant to to debunk any religion. All we are saying is that the foreign religions should not disvalue our own values as Africans, should not disvalue our ancestors, should not devalue what our ancestors has done, or what our ancestors did. Pardon me. So please hold on to your faith if you're a Christian, hold on to your faith if you are a Muslim. At the same time, if you are a traditionalist, hold on to your faith. To your faith. No one can judge anyone, right? No one can judge anyone. But what I know is that God knew why He created our ancestors. God knew why He gave them the powers that we know them for, right? God created Shango. God created Eshu. God created Oshun. God created Oya, Yemoja, and the rest of them like that when they came. And God knew why He did that, right? So for us to have the history close to us and for us to remind ourselves of on how they live their life does not mean that we worship them. If you are to worship, you only worship God. You worship God, which we call Olodumare in Yoruba land. So we are not saying that you should not embrace your religion, right? So thank you very much. Thanks for watching my videos, and I beg you to always like my videos as I drop them. This helps a lot. So because we want the message to go far, to spread. Thank you very much and get a better life.